Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Handmade Happy Hour. Today I am at Disneyland and California Adventure, and I am on the hunt for Santa Claus. Let's check out the two different Santa Clauses at Disneyland and California Adventure. First up, I'm at Disneyland, and to get to Santa here, you're going to go through the castle. You're going to head towards the teacups. Then you're going to veer off to It's a Small World. And you will find the Fantasyland Theater to the left of It's a Small World. Okay, I think we are getting super close to our destination, which is the Fantasyland Theater. And this is where all of the different holiday events are happening. And I believe that they have crafts and all sorts of things over here. So let's check it out. All right, well, I found Santa Claus's location and now I'm just waiting for him. So I am down just next to It's a Small World in the theater. This is where they have lots of different events, like Pixar Fest is here and all of their different seasonal celebrations. You just missed this awesome band playing, and I got my picture with Pluto and Goofy. I had a short line to meet Santa. I was here on a Tuesday, and I can imagine it's much busier on the weekends. That was the sweetest Santa ever. I hope I get everything that I asked for on my wish list. All right, let's head over to California Adventure and see if we can find that Santa there. On my way out of Disneyland, I saw some adorable holiday merch and some delicious looking treats. Let's take a look at all of these goodies that Disneyland has to offer during the holiday season. Now I'm just going to head across the way to Disney's California Adventure. I have heard that they have a really cool spot for Santa here. Before I find Santa, I think I'm going to stop here and grab one of these holiday bites. I'm going to get the holiday mash bowl. This is a chicken and gravy and mashed potato delicious dish. Okay, guys, I am trying this delicious holiday mashup bowl. It's mashed potatoes, chicken, cranberries, and some sort of a stuffing. So good. This is part of the Holiday Food Festival over at California Adventure. Really good. So to find Santa Claus, you're just going to go down towards the boardwalk, but take a right when you get to the Little Mermaid. And there's lots of cute things to see along the way. Yes, of course, even our little friend from Up. And of course, I had to get a picture with him too. Once you get down to the end, you'll take a left at Eureka, and then you will start to see the Redwood Creek area, and that is where the Santa visit will take place. And down in this section, you might know it as the tree climbing area or where they have the zip lines. It is all decked out for the holidays and for a Santa meet and greet, and you never know who you're going to see along the trail. You're just going to follow that trail, follow the signs until you get to the line. My line was not too long, and then they've got these adorable elves there to greet you. They're so great. They remember everybody's name, and it's so fun. You've got a Santa's nice list. So you can go ahead and add your name to the list. The decorations are just absolutely adorable. It's such a great holiday Christmas feel. And the Santa Claus is the greatest. Now, I know I said the Disneyland Santa Claus was the greatest, but this guy is too. They were both amazing. What a special treat. Look at all of this gorgeous decor. This is definitely more woodsy, and I would say Disneyland is more modern. Even the walk leaving Santa Claus is just stunning. On my way out of California Adventure and my trip to Disneyland, I had to stop for some mint chocolate chip ice cream at Clarabelle's. This is such a yummy treat. I have one last surprise right before I left the park, and that was an Oswald sighting. What a fantastic special day. Thanks so much for joining me along on this adventure. I'll be back here next time with another fun video to share with you. Hi! You're so cute! Oh my God, you're too cute!